And here we are on the beach in San Felipe, El Dorado, 4th of July, 2009.
Ah! Don't break it, right?
No, I'm having some tequila.
Yeah, that's gasoline. Some people might think tequila is a little gasoline. And this is
Do you guys want any pizza? We had some.
sunset in Mexico, right here on the beach.
Sure.
Dude, good idea. A little bonfire on the beach, huh?
I'm ready for mine.
Tall boys for sale, man.
Nice.
For Corey?
I'm ready for mine.
I mean, I can say a stop you late. Still ready?
That's
Lame! Alright. Yeah!
Woo! And again, take that.
Well, here comes Steven. There's a fake snake there.
Holy. Oh, I can say, man.
What the hell?
Good thing that was sand.
Steve, what'd you do to your leg down there?
How those goonies doing over there?
They're on the sand
These are
there.
doing alright. What? What the fuck? Hey, did Carter ever find his shit?
Yeah, this was in the condo, right where I told him it was.
I didn't see him with it.
Ronnie jumped out of his shoes. I feel kind of...
Of
course it's my husband. Nope, didn't light again. I'm glad you have him, babe. I still need him. Cajones. Is that what you're talking about? Yeah. There it goes. Babe, that almost went up your catucus.
How many kids did you want?
Any would be good at this point. 1, 2. Blow it out. What was that?
They're kind of anticlimactic, don't they?
Those are screamers.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the big and then nothing.
That's Carter, extremely drunk as usual.
No, they don't.
I like this girl I knew.
You knew a girl like that.
Whoa.
I was like,
A lot of screaming and no finale?
And then it was like,
A lot of screaming and no finale? Is that what you're saying?
That's what I was saying. You're actually taping. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. Run, Ferris!
I've never seen you run so fast. Run, Forrest, run. Whoa!
Nice.
Nice. That one brought a tear to my eye.
Disneyland would be proud.
Let's see it. Nice. I thought that's what women need, is more wood.
Ron,
Yes.
need I remind you, Mom and Dad are here. So.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh! Yeah, one more time. Happy 4th of July.
There it is.
That was a good one.
Yeah, I'm not throwing that shit down.
Yeah, dude, I don't want to be the one throwing that shit.
Oh, shit.
That's all it does. Nice.
Still kind of is. Nope.
Nah, not yet. Leave her be.
Dead, dud, dead, dud.
Oh, perfect, babe. There's cajones. No more videotaping.
Swear to God, Ron, this better not end up on YouTube.
I don't even know if Ron.
Whoa!
Nice.
That's a good one.
We're not entirely sure that he knows how to transfer this to a computer, so.
I could do it.
He could,
Stop it.
but.
I'm going to kick that out of your hand, and then you're going to be embarrassed because I'm going to make you look like a sissy girl.
If you can manage to do that.
Sissy girl. Sissy la-la girl. Don't make me videotape you and post it, because baby,
You got the HD version of my camera, didn't you?
Yep.
You have not seen me post
Don't be jealous.
the old man
I'm not
dance.
jealous, I'm just.
Drunk.
I'm very drunk, but.
He's less drunk than he was earlier today, I understand.
Less drunk than earlier.
How drunk was he earlier?
I heard he was really drunk earlier.
He was really drunk.
I heard that he jumped into the pool and was playing with any team that wouldn't kick him off.
What?
Yep. You were, dude.
I
You
did
came out of
not
my
do
team. I'm
that.
like, you're not on my team. Get out of the pool.
It's true.
Oh, okay.
Nick told me. And he doesn't lie very well. He usually cracks up when he lies, so.
All right. That's all right.